First up, you need a loaf of day-old bread. About 12 to 14 slices will do. Cut the bread into 1-inch cubes, then spread them out on a baking sheet. Now, you can either let them sit overnight to dry out, or if you're short on time, pop them in a 300 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Stir occasionally until they're dry but not browned. Alright, while your bread is drying, let's move on to the aromatics. In a large skillet, melt half a cup of unsalted butter over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped medium onion, 2 to 3 chopped celery stalks, and if you like a bit of extra flavor, toss in 2 to 3 minced garlic cloves. Sauté this mix until it's softened and fragrant. About 5 to 7 minutes should do the trick. Next, grab a large mixing bowl and combine your dried bread cubes with the sautéed veggies. Now it's time to add the fresh parsley, about a 1/4 cup chopped, and your herbs. 1 teaspoon each of dried sage and thyme and half a teaspoon of dried rosemary. Or if you prefer, you can use 1 teaspoon of poultry seasoning instead. Don't forget half a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to bring all those flavors together. Give everything a good toss to mix well. Gradually add chicken or turkey broth, a 1/4 cup at a time, stirring gently. You want just enough broth to moisten the bread without making it soggy. If you prefer a more cohesive stuffing, you can mix in 2 beaten eggs at this stage. Fold in half a cup of chopped walnuts, pecans, or dried cranberries for a delightful twist. If you're baking the stuffing in a dish, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread the stuffing into a greased casserole dish, cover with foil, and bake for 30 minutes. Then, uncover and bake for an additional 15 minutes to get that perfect crispy top. If you're stuffing your turkey, loosely pack the cavity with the prepared stuffing and roast according to your turkey recipe. Just make sure the stuffing reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety. And there you have it, a classic Thanksgiving stuffing that's sure to impress. Happy holidays and enjoy your meal. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more holiday recipes. Thanks for watching!